Okay, so I waited as long as I can. It's still in the 40s. We still have some ice and stuff going on. I guess it's upper 40s now. So I finally got warm enough where Mike can come out here and work on this. But what I need to do is start this up. We're going to do an oil change on it. Let's see. Here's some oil that came out of it. Not too bad. Not too horribly dirty. It does have a, let me mix it up. This has been sitting for a few days, but it does have a little bit of a sheen to it. Which, get this light to work right. I don't know, maybe it's showing up in the video better, I don't know. That should be kind of common. I called the guy, he said he's got about 5 hours on this engine, so that should be some of the break-in. So what I'm going to do is start this up. Oh, and another thing is this is way overfilled. Hadn't started it up or nothing yet, and you can see the oil level is about right there. So it's really full. So what I'm going to do is, one, make sure that we're getting oil up here. This is I guess a oil checker thingies, my bobber deal, whatever. But I don't know the technical term. But what I'm going to do is start it up. I need to find, I don't know, that's probably a, $8 millimeter. Yeah, it's a little 8 millimeter. So what I'm going to do is break it loose. Just a little bit while it's running, because I need to warm this up anyways, but I want to make sure something is coming out of there. So let's give her a call. So we know we're at least getting oil up there, so now watch this. This should start overflowing. At least it's done that in the past. Yeah, see there? So I'm going to drain this tank a little bit. I don't want it that full. To drain this tank, I'm going to have to flip you sideways, upside down, all that crap. But there is, there's a screw on the bottom of that. And now I've already drained out this my oil catch pan deal. So I'm going to drain some of this oil out. This should only hold a little over 2 quarts of oil. This is going to drip on the frame, but there's some oil drain holes right there, so hopefully, yeah, it's there. Gonna get a good idea about consistency of that oil. Okay, so I checked it. It's still a little over full, but it should be all right. I'm just going to start it up again. like oil. It doesn't smell like gas in the oil. It doesn't smell like coolant.